It is now. Shit, I'm on it. I'm back, guys.
What?
I got friendly fire. Whatever.
I follow back. I got a hole in here and a pot of paint.
So are they in that turret?
They're not gonna move, right?
Wait!
They're just sitting behind that turret. Okay. I'm gonna move up then. Okay. No break!
Oh, you're good, you're good.
Katie, come up here. There's two guys over there. One guy over here, we have to watch our side. There's people over there. Oh, there's a tank guy too. If you want, you can get in here and shoot out that way. No break! Okay. I think your best bet is just to come off this side and just pop out, put a couple down, and then come back in. Because that's where you're going to be able to get most of your shots at. Should be fine. See all the people down there? There's a ton of paint flying back there. I can't, I'm out of paint. So I'm just going to guide you and do as much as I can.
We went off at the same time. Are you out of paint?
Yeah.
I wondered, you weren't shooting for a while, Mike. I bet you.
Uh-huh. So I'm just here to help her out. Yeah, there's a couple in that spool by the bridge. Right there. Okay. No, he's just sitting there. Not much we can do right now.
I got that all I got left.
Yeah.
Oh, mess with the paint.
What's going on downfield tape side? Are they still just sitting there on the tank? Oh shit.
Yeah. Well, not just so done. Hey, the tank can just sit there?
Katie, you gotta do something.
The tank? Okay, I was just curious.
Be clean.
He's looking for more ammo. I know, I hit him. I hit him.
He's out.
Get up.
He's gotta be out of paint.
Nope, he's got it. Better waste it.
Yeah. You can only shoot us for this long. He's gonna be running out pretty damn soon. Damn, dude, this bunker's getting a ton of attention. I can just hear it.
They're shooting over from his right side now.
I know. Ref! Anyone over here? I can't anything.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Play.
Wow, that's a surprise right there. Can't wait to see that one on film. Bounce off the helmet cam.
All the ones that hit my helmet can break.
Really? Must have been 40. There's another one, I think. Ah. Well, what do we want to do? I'm out of paint. I can dry fire.
I'm not gonna go out until I get hit. I'll just.
I know, me too. I figure I'm doing something I can toy with them a little bit.
Yeah, you got your camera on?
Uh-huh. Going up on YouTube.
I've seen a few.
Really? Sweet.
That guy's over there. You guys try getting that guy laying down over there. That's long way for that.
Oh, dude, that dude just ate it right into that bunker right there.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm sure that one felt good.
It's always like a dust storm. You
Uh-huh.
know, when they hit that, it's crazy.
Yep.
Good push, man. Good push.
Yeah, well, we lost that guy. Whoa. They're coming.
We got gun malfunctions and no paint, so
We don't have any paint. Yeah, she's the only one that's got paint.
okay,
Katie, you might want to pulse up and just shoot up this corner. That way we can keep them from moving up on us.
go like there, right?
Uh-huh. Thanks, brother. I'll do as much as I can with that. Take these. Thanks. Okay, let's see if I can move up at least. Ah. Okay, shit. Why not? Let's just try it like this. Get the snap shooting going.
That paint's probably like, oh, this is
Uh-huh. He's got to be out of paint soon.
oh, you kidding me?
What?
Still there.
Oh, yeah. Hey, they're moving up on us. Hit!